Hi everyone, so welcome to the eye makeup series, and today we will learn the classic liner. This is how we're gonna apply. First we need to take the Kryolan का cake liner and rose water के drop से we will activate it. Then with the help of liner brush we need to apply it just above the lashes, as you can see, and draw a very little wing because it's a classic liner, so it doesn't need to be long. Now we will make it little wide from the outer edges, as you can see. This is how we're gonna apply the classic liner. Connect it from the inner corner. Now I will show you the full look. You can see the look after lashes. This is how you can draw the classic liner. It doesn't make your eye dramatic, so very classic. Thank you.